Hello kids, today we are going to learn what are pri what are even numbers and odd numbers. So now you can see any number that ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, or we can say if 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 are at one's place, then they are even numbers. Example 12. Now see, 2 is at one's place. So 12 is an even number. I hope it is clear to you. Now let's move on to the next one. What are odd numbers? If any number ends with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9, then that number is an odd number, right? So number having digits 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 at one's place. So they are odd numbers. Example, see here 7 is at one's place. Now number 7 is at one's place. So this number is an odd number, right? Now see 53. Now see the number at one's place. 53, 3 is there, so it is an odd number. 71, 1 is at one's place, so it is an odd number, right? So first number is, one more time, 53. Now see, 3 is at one's place, right? So now 3, when 3 is at one's place, the number is odd. The number is odd. Next is very good. So the next is 71. Now which number is at one's place? That is 1. So again the number is odd. The number 71 is odd, right? Next is 42. Now which number is at one's place? That is 2. So number 42 is even because we have learned 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If these numbers are at one's place, then the number is even. Now 34. Now see 34. 4 is at one's place. So again this number is even, right? And the last one is 89. Now see which number is at one's place? 9. So when the number 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are at one's place, then the number is odd. So I hope students from this video it is clear to you which numbers are even and which numbers are odd. Now see, in this calendar, can you identify which number is even and which number is odd? See, 1 is, now see, 2 is even, 4 is even, 6 is even, 8 is even. Now 1, 0. 0 when comes at one's place. So these 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28 and 30 are even. Now let's check which numbers are odd. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now number ending with these numbers, that is 1, 11, 1, 1, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29 and 31. So I hope students now it is all clear to you all what are even numbers and odd numbers. So you will not do mistakes now in identifying even numbers and odd numbers. Hello kids, today we are going to study what are prime numbers and what are composite numbers. Now see, what are prime numbers? Numbers having only two factors. Numbers having only two factors, that are 1 and the number itself. Those numbers are called as prime numbers. All, or you can say numbers having only two factors that are 1 and the number itself are called as prime numbers, right? So all those numbers having only two factors, that are number, that are 1 and the number itself, they are called as prime numbers. Example, see, 2, 3, 5. See, 2 is divisible by either 1 or 2. 3 is divisible by 1 or 2. Similarly, 5 is also divisible by 1 or 2. 1 or 5. 7. 7 is also divisible by either 1 or 7 itself, number itself. 8, 9, 10, no. Because 8, 2 also divides 8. 4 also divides 8. So 8 is not a prime number. 9. 3 divides 9, 1 divides 9, and 9 divides 9. Now 10. 10 also is divisible by 2 and then 5 and 1 and 10 itself. So they have more than 2 factors. Now number 11. See, do you feel any number, can you find any number which can divide 11 other than 1 and 11? No. So 11 is a prime number. So you can find out many more numbers like 30, 17, 19, etc. All these numbers, they are infinite number of prime numbers. But what are composite numbers? What are composite numbers? Numbers having more than two factors called as composite numbers, right? So numbers having more than two factors are called as composite numbers. Now let me explain you what are composite numbers. Then I will tell you a very interesting trick to find out number of prime and composite numbers between 1 to 100, right? Now see, for example, if I say identify whether 21 is a prime number or a composite number. So you have to to do nothing. Simply you find out the factors of 21. Now see, 21 is, what are the factors of 21? Find out. See, 1 is a factor of every number. Now, 21 is divisible by 2. In 2's table, 21 comes? No, because I taught you how to find out which number is divisible by which by using divisibility rules. So see here, 1 is there. So it is now it is not divisible by 2. Now it comes in the table of 3, 3, 7, 21, and then 21. Right? So see, after 7, see 3, it comes in the table of 7, 3, 3 sevens are 21, so both will come. Then 4, in 4's table it is not coming, 5 table it is not, 6 not, 7 yes, 7 we have written, 8, 9, 10 no. So 21. So right? So it is having 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many factors? 4 factors. So it is not a prime number, it is a 21 is a composite number, right? Now let's see, let's take another number. Let's take 41. Now check whether 41 is a prime number or a composite. Now start finding out the factors of 41. Now factors, see, 1 divides every number, so 1 is there. Now 2 divides 41, no. 3 divides 41, see 4 plus 1 is 5. So 5 doesn't come in the table of 3. So 41 is also not divisible by 3. Now 4, no. 5, no. 6, no. 7, no. 8, 41 doesn't come in the table of 8 also, 9 also, 10 also. So 41 has only 2 factors, 1 and 41. So 41 is the prime number, right? So by finding the factors of a number, you can identify easily whether the number is a prime number or a composite number. If the 1 and number itself, these 2 factors you get, then the number is a prime number. If you get more than 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself, see, you got 3 and 7 also as its factor. So it is a composite number. I hope it is clear to you. So students, now let's learn how to find out the prime numbers between 1 to 100. It is a trick. Now see, we know 1 is neither prime nor composite, right? So the first step is that you write down number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 1 to 6 here, and then in continuation below that keep on writing the numbers in 6 columns. In 6 columns. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and so on till 100. Right? Till 100. Now see, 2 is a prime number. Circle it. Right? And then see, all the numbers written here below 2 are divisible by 2. So you can strike off all these numbers. These numbers are not prime numbers. Now, again, 4. See, 4 is a number which is divisible by 2. 4 is a number divisible by 2. So strike off this column because all the numbers below 4 are divisible by 2. Next, number 5 is a prime number, right? Number 6, see again number 6 is divisible by 2. So you can strike off the whole row, column of numbers below the number 6. Now prime number. 5 is also prime number. And now see, the number below 3 are all the numbers which are divisible by 3. So you can strike off all these numbers because these all numbers are divisible by 3, leaving 3 because 2, 3, 5. These are prime numbers, and see 4 is divisible by 2. So we strike off all the numbers below 5. 4 because these all numbers having even numbers at 0, 1's place. So this whole line is divisible by 2. Here also similarly, the numbers at 1's place are even numbers. So this whole line is divisible by 2. So these are not prime numbers. Next, see. Start moving diagonally. Diagonally like 5. Now see, if you move diagonally, strike off all the numbers coming in diagonal with 5. Right? See 10, 15, 20, 25. Now check here. 30. Right? 30 is divisible by 5. Strike off diagonally. See 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Now next is 60. 60 is divisible by 5. Now strike off all the numbers which are in the diagonal with 60. Now next last 90, 95 and 100. So these all numbers are divisible by 5. So we strike out all the numbers which are divisible by 5. Now similarly 7. Now see 7 again diagonally 7, 40, 35, 42 diagonally. Now next number which is divisible by 7 is 49. Now strike out diagonally all the numbers which are divisible by 7. Right? Now again here 91 and 98. Right? So now whichever numbers are left, these all numbers are prime numbers. So here I am circling all the prime numbers for you. This is a trick to find out all the prime numbers between 1 to 100. And this is just very simple, just 15 seconds. If you will practice properly, in just 15 seconds, you will be able to find out all the prime numbers that lies between 1 to 100. I hope it is clear to everyone. See, 7 is a prime number, so you can circle 7. Right? I hope it is clear to everyone, and I hope you all will practice this trick also so as to get all the prime numbers between 1 to 100. See, 1 is neither prime nor composite. So that is the reason why we strike off 1. So I'm just giving you a quick revision of this steps. You write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the top, and then in continuation, keep on writing all the numbers in the batches of 6, like 6, then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and so on till 100. Now, 1 is neither prime nor composite, cross it. Then 2 is a prime number, but all the numbers which are below 2, they all are divisible by 2. So you strike off all those numbers which are coming below 2. But 2 is a prime number, so circle it. Now 3 is also a prime number, circle it. But all the numbers which are coming below 3, they are divisible by 3. So you strike them off. Because if any number is divisible by other number, other than 1 and the number itself, then that number is not a prime number. So it is divisible by 3, we strike off. Now 4. 4 is not a prime number because it has 2 as a factor. So 4 is not a prime, but the numbers coming below 4, they all are having even number at their 1's place. See, 0, 6, 2. So we strike off, these all numbers are even numbers and they are divisible by 2. Similarly, here see 6. 6, all the numbers are divisible by 2. So we strike. And then 7 is a prime number. So circle 7. Now next step is 5 is a prime number. Circle it. But diagonally strike off all the numbers which are divisible by 5. Please diagonally strike off all the numbers. Now after 5 you check this line. You come to 30. 30 is divisible by 5. So you strike off all the numbers diagonally. Then next check which number is divisible. 60. Strike off all the numbers diagonally coming in the diagonal row of 60. Right? Then next is 90. So strike off numbers diagonally. That is 90, 95 and 100. Similarly from here. 7 is a prime. You have circle. Now strike off all the numbers which are coming diagonally. Next number which is divisible by 7 is 49. Alright. So you again strike off diagonally. Last is 97. Sorry, 91. Strike off diagonally. So now after doing till this, whichever number are left, those all numbers are prime numbers. So I hope students it is clear to you, and it is very interesting technique to find out prime numbers between 1 to 100. Thank you so much.